Oh man, I can't believe Dad downgraded my computer to Windows 98 by my punishment. But what should I do? I know, I'm gonna install Windows 8 on my dad's computer. Ha 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 ha. But first, let me buy a copy of Windows 8. I got the copy of Windows 8. Now time to install Windows 8 on my dad's computer. Yay! I installed Windows 8 on my dad's computer. And now, time to install Go Animate full version, get a virus, and cause blue screen of death. Ha 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 ha.
Virus panel, virus panel, virus panel, virus panel, virus panel, virus panel.
Yay! I successfully installed Go Animate full version, get a virus, and cause a blue screen of death on my dad's computer. But let's get the fuck out of here before I get caught.
I'm going on my computer. Wait a second, how does Windows 8 was on my computer, and why did Go Animate get virus and cause blue screen of death? Who could have done that? It is Caillou. Caillou, get over here right now. Caillou, did you just install Windows 8 on my computer, installed Go Animate full version, and caused blue screen of death? Tell me the truth right now.
Yes I did.
Caillou, how dare you install Windows 8 on my computer, installed Go Animate full version and cause blue screen of death. That's it. You are grounded for 19285760302493758 192857693741284729384756938475756 years. Go to your room right now. Wow.